ito eh.
Kabisado na.
Itong venue na ito. Marcio locks this dribble. Look at you. Up to the races with a sprint. Got it! And look at this. Just like that, Ultra is in the lead.
Nakakailang turnover na ulit itong San Miguel Beermen.
Hang on, Dom. The Celiano defense of the game brought to you by Pioneer Elastic Seal. Celiano ang buwong anumang panahon.
And Seth, yung mga turnover.
Yeah, we're in the 30, by the way. Go ahead.
Itong mga turnover ng San Miguel.
Oh, look at this. Another
Ball is
turnover.
down. No, look at the hustle from Gio Chu.
And it's going to be a 3.
That's an assist. Sitting on the floor. Mula kay Gio Chu.
That's the second team foul for Macau.
Ganda nitong play na to. Ito yung kay Chu. GAC game-changing play brought to us by GAC. The 3 from Kwame Johnson.
Into the deep corner. Drive. Oh, what a move!
Wow. Sa Honya.
Play of the half brought to you by Sportsbet. Ano eh, nangyari kay Roy doon, akala ko natapik ko na.
But you don't want to give yung rhythm dito sa San Miguel.
Suma, another turnover. Hernandez, breakaway, blocked in the air by Suma.
Great recovery by Sumang there.
At Sumang's catch-up there.
They had the numbers, but Hernandez
Look at
decided-
Chu and Lou going at it. And then, Anisi lost it. Jennings Leung will pick it up. Ahead to Kobe Lam. Kobe Lam. Layup is good. Plus a foul. Kobe Lam with a broken play. And Kobe Lam gives his team the lead with a chance to extend it.
Unbelievable play. A scramble for possession. Hustle play. Binigay kay Kobe Lam. Grabe yung
That was a
hustle.
tap from Leung from behind.
Yeah. And then, ito yung pasa. Almost a blind pass by Jennings Leung. Nakawala doon si Kobe Lam. Again, yung defensive adjustment dito, or rather the offensive adjustment